You see, the biggest waste of time is arguing with a fool and fanatic who doesn't care about truth or reality, but only the victory of his or her beliefs or illusions. Never waste time on discussions that make no sense. There are people who, for all the evidence presented to them, do not have the ability to understand, nor do they want to understand, they just want to argue. Others who are blinded by ego or hatred and resentment, the only thing that they want is to be right, even if they aren't. The saying goes, when ignorance screams, intelligence moves on.
Egina means you and, while Eginashima means you and Shima. A-E is A and E-H is A, not single letter A from the tongue. A-E and E-H based on the sound, not A. Tom ALAGWURUIKE, the TH became the symbol and name Dida. CH became KH and then was Kappa, which later became CC or XX. PH became Phi with the symbol or F. O became OO. These have refused to lend authenticity to the Indo-European language claim